Hello coders, I have come up with another Excel problem set scenario. So take a reference to this data set in which there are some HR managers or team leaders like Kullan, Orijit, Akshay and Rajendra, and under these four team leaders there are some employees who are working under them, and they have generated some revenue in quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 in any given financial year. Now the manager, the head of the company, wants to know what is the revenue generated by each of these managers, team leaders, in the quarters, in first quarter. So I want to get a summarized report, that is sum of it. What you can do is that you can select this range of cell, and then you can press alt equal to okay. So this will be total, alt equal to, no, it's not working. So alt equal to is for Autosum. Let's press Ctrl F1 to bring back the ribbon. Now let's press alt equal to one more time. Yeah, it's working. Let's press escape. I had hidden the ribbon pressing Ctrl F1. Some bug might have been going on in Excel. So select this range of cell and press alt equal to, and you are getting the sum for team leader Kollan. But the problem is that there are we need to find out for Arijit, Akshay and Rajendra. So we need to repeat this step a couple of times. So our motto will be, our goal will be, instead of doing this manually, instead of doing this one by one, how can we do that? How can we achieve this at one go? So that's our scenario. So let's delete this particular total, and then we will be selecting this whole of this table range, and then we will be pressing, no, not this one, we will be selecting from this range. This is the range of data. Then we will be pressing Control G. From there we will be let's press Control F, sorry, Control F for find what. So find options, and then we'll be having Control G. Yeah, Control G, go to. Then we will be selecting the special. After Control G we will be selecting blanks, and then press OK. Now all we have to do is press alt equal to, and we will be getting the sum at one go. So let's make a summarization of this. So what we did with this data is that after selecting this particular range of cells, let me make the screen a little bit smaller. So after selecting this range of cell, our motto was something like, the summation will be in this total, which was blank initially. So to select each of this blank row, we pressed Ctrl G, and then we clicked on the special, and from there we selected this blank option, and what it did is that it highlighted the blank rows, and then whenever we pressed alt equal to, the shortcut key for Autosum from our keyboard, it generated the value. So that's all for this Excel video. Hope you like it. Thank you guys, and happy coding.